Let's start with Chuck Crosby. Heidi received a letter from a veterans organization in Tennessee, Chuck. The veterans organization says they're offering to buy her property. And lately, she says she's been receiving a number of these types of letters or phone calls. I think we all have to buy the property. But this one was from a veterans organization. So she's wondering, is this one a scam? What are your thoughts?
Well, I don't know about this. I haven't seen the letter,
Yeah.
but there are a lot of those scams. I get those phone calls all the time. They
Yeah.
call themselves police officers, this, that, or the other, or
Yeah.
veterans, this, that, or the other. You just have to take a look and see if you can find anything about them. If they're legit, they will have a paper trail. If they're not legit, my thought is a lot of times when I go looking for stuff that I've heard about is if she's getting the letter, there's a lot of other people that are getting that letter, and people like to share things on the internet.
Hmm.
So with just a modicum of research, you can find out whether or not these things are legit.
I would also suggest, Heidi, that as Chuck mentions, to do a Google search for the name of the organizations. Is
And
this
generally,
legit? Yeah.
if it's a charity, it's going to have to be set up as a charity. It's going to be a 501c3. It's going to be registered in a variety of places that are all public record.
I will also suggest you check with the Better Business Bureau. Go online, check the
That's a
name
good
of
idea.
Yeah, that is. So those are some ideas, and I wish you the best on that, Heidi. Coming up a little later on today's show, 5 foolproof ways to vet a contractor before hiring them. That's an important part for a lot of people who are doing improvements to their homes or condos right now. And a reminder also that if you would like to see a rebroadcast of today's show, simply go to LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's a redirect to our YouTube channel, and you can see this actual video recording of this.